Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm super excited because it is the second season premiere of our home decor Luxe Club's VEDA Squad Clothes Collab, hosted by Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with her co-host, and I am one of them. I will link all of our channel information down in the description box so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. So April is National Decorating Month, and every Saturday in April, we'll be giving you tips, ideas, and inspiration on how to decorate your home for spring. So guess this morning I participated in the Color Series Tablescape collab using the colors purple and yellow and using this beautiful lemon cotton tablecloth. And here's a snippet from that video. I'll put the link to that video down in my description box so that you can go over to watch it. So I asked you to join me this evening so that I could show you how I use that same tablecloth but in a different tablescape. So here are some of the items that I'm using to help style my area, and I'm going to be showing you my kitchen area with a bee attitude. So I'll let you enjoy the video to music. So guests, I hope you enjoyed seeing my Beatitudes tablescape today. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And guests, please remember to be happy, be kind, be well, and be unique. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.